Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to be implementing the profile image view. I'm talking about this one. I want it to be selectable, to be able to change the image. So that said, let me show you how we will be implementing it. The first thing will be in our profile view. I want it to be able to click on it. So I will place my Z stack inside the button. So it will be button with action and label, and I will have a Z stack. Okay, the second thing, to show it, I need some kind of boolean that when it's true, we will show the photo picker. So let's go to our view model, and here I will have add published var show photo picker of type boolean, and it will be by default false. And here we will have view model dot show photo picker dot toggle. And now I also need to add the photo picker. So to add it, I will need to first import photo UI. Okay, perfect. Then after my toolbar, I will have here dot photo picker with is presented as selection. For is presented, we will use $view model dot show photo picker. For selection, as you can see, we need a photo picker item. So we go back to our view model, and here we will have add published var selected image of type photo picker item, and it will be optional. And of course we need to import photo UI, and here we will have $view model dot not show photo picker, I apologize, dot selected image. Okay, now everything will be hopefully working. So now when I click on it, I know I should be seeing, as you can see, the photo picker, but if I click on it, the image doesn't change, and it's normal because we are not doing anything. I need, when my selected image has a new value, I need to be able to load the image. To do so, we are going to use a property observer called didSet. This property observer will be called immediately if the value of selected image change. So here we need to implement a function of load image. So let's create private func load image with item of type photo picker item, and it will be optional, and it will be async throws. And inside my didSet, I will call, of course, because it's asynchronous work, so it will be inside the task try wait, and I will call my load image with item, of course, selected image. That way now when selected image value change, we will call our load image. So in my site, my load image, the first thing, as you see, my item, photo picker item, is optional. I don't want it to be optional, so first thing is guard let item equal item, else return, because I don't want it to be optional. The second thing, I want to load the data from the photo picker item. To do so, I will use a method called load transferable with type. So guard let data equals try await item dot load transferable, and for type data.self. Okay, else return, of course. Then we need to, as you know, in UI image we got an initializer that gets the data, and from the data returns an image. So we will use it. So we will have let UI image equals UI image data, and it will be data. And then we want to store this UI image inside an image that we will be using. So let's create an image, a SwiftUI image. So it will be at published var profile image of type image, and it will be optional. And here it will be self dot profile image equals image of UI image, and it will be, and if you focus here, image, where is it, UI image, creates a SwiftUI image from a UI image instance. So we will give it UI image. Okay, that's all we need to do. Okay, and the thing I forgot is, as you can see, UI image is optional, so we will do it also. Guard let UI image equal UI image data else return. This way we handle the case where it's nil. We don't want it nil. Okay, now I go back to my profile view, and as you can see, I'm currently displaying the circular profile image view. But when my selected image is changed and I'm loading a new image, in that case I want to show the profile image. So to do so, the easiest way is to place this circular profile image inside this tag, and on top of this circular profile image view I will have the profile image. If profile image is not nil, I will show the profile image, and I will give it the same size, so the same frame with same width and height and the same shape. That way you won't notice this one. To do so, we will have a Z stack. Inside the Z stack we have a circular profile image view, and on top of the circular profile image view we will have another image, or I apologize, we will make a test if let profile image equal view model.profile image. In that case I will show profile image, and the reason why I am doing this test is because, as you can see, profile image is optional, so it can be nil. If it's nil, doesn't make sense to show profile image. I only show circular profile image view. But if it's not nil, I will show this image on top of this one, and it will be of course dot resizable. I will give it the same frame as circular profile image view, and as you remember, dot xx large returns 120 for width and 120 for height, so I will give it dot frame with width and height of 120 for both. I will make it scale to fill, and with a clip shape of circle. Now hopefully everything is done. Now hopefully everything will be working perfectly. Now let's wait for it, and if I click on it, I display this. If I click, as you can see, I show the profile image view. That's perfect. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.